If you've been grinding through your prop firm challenges, you're probably eager to see some green hit your bank account. Well, you're in luck because in this video today, I'm going to break down exactly how to request payouts from Topstep, how to request payouts from TakeProfit Trader, how much money I made for the month of January across Topstep, TakeProfit Trader, and Apex Trader funding, and how I did it, including showing you my performance stats for the month on one of my best performing accounts. So let's get into it. All right, guys, as we jump into this, let me just break down the video for you. First, we're going to show you my performance for the month of January. I'm going to give you my total across the board here on all the accounts that I've traded, as well as an Apex denial for a payout that I requested. And then I'm going to show you step by step how to request your payouts out of TakeProfit Trader and out of Topstep. And then I'm going to show you, of course, my Apex Trader funding payouts. So do me a quick favor, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Tomorrow, Friday, the 7th of February, I'm going to be doing a live stream at 9:15 a.m. Come on over, join me. I'm going to be trading live, and I'm going to be giving away a $50,000 evaluation account for TakeProfit Trader in that live stream to one lucky winner. So make sure you join me tomorrow right here on the channel, okay? Hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I go live. Let's go ahead and get into this here. Here I am. This is my dashboard over at Topstep. I'm showing you this one because it is by far the #1 account that I've been trading in as far as performance-wise. So you can see here, my current high balance is $10,342. I made another $579 today in this account. So it is higher, but obviously we haven't hit settlement, and it's showing you this as the current profit because I just requested more money yesterday here for February, already requesting $1,500 out of this account. I've requested money out of this account multiple times. That's why you see the high being this and the current balance being that. You can see my best day here, $27.91. Worst day, just $529 in the red. Average winning trade, $647. Average losing day, $329. Really nice. I really like that. I'm up over $1,000 now, obviously, on the weekly P&L here. And here is my equity curve. I started this account on December 18th, and you could see here right out the gates, the very first day, bang, I banged out a $2,300 trade. That was really nice to partake in. The very next day, another $1,200, and you could just see how we start, sideways a little bit here, a small, tiny $57 loss, then $122 win. You made another $511, $200, 200. 659. You could just see here the performance little by little. You could see here, lost $500, lost another 500, then making it back little by little, sideways action, little uptrend, little uptrend, little uptrend, and then bang, another big day, and then followed by more push to the upside here. And now today, when we close off, we'll have another little another little dot up here for $579. You can see here we've traded 22 trading days. Average winning day 82%. We'll scroll down here. Overall, $338 average winning trade with 65% accuracy. Average losing day, $238 with a risk reward factor of 1.42 to 1. Not happy with that. Generally, I'm up at 2.0 and higher. I don't like that I'm down here at all, but hey, with the accuracy that it is, not bad. I have pushed a little bit harder in this account than any of my other accounts. Why? Don't ask me. I don't know, but I have. And it's showing here in my profit factor, but my accuracy has been really good. And how are you going to be mad at this equity? You can't be mad at this equity curve at all. I'll show you it's all time. There it is. So you can't be mad at that. All right, so you see it here, up $579 in this account on the day. Total P&L now, $10,921. It's showing you today's profits in this journal, I guess, here on Topstep X. Trade win 57%, average win to loss 1.42, profit factor 1.93, a little bit closer to that 2.0 that I was talking about earlier. And then here you have the equity curve. This obviously shows you, I would imagine, the payouts, because I've never had huge red days like this on here. So I imagine this is the payouts that have come across. Yeah, there it is, because this is yesterday or today actually when my payout hit. So yeah, it shows you those payouts. Most profitable day, $2,700, almost $2,800. Worst day was just $987. Here you have the cumulative P&L history, much cleaner, much nicer, all the way up here towards $11,000. Net daily P&L, you can see I've only had a few red days, and they've been much smaller than the green days. I love this here on the win rate, under 15 seconds, cutting those losers quickly, holding on to the winners much longer. Here you do have some longer losers on some trying to hold overnight. And then we come back here towards December when we started this account, December 18th, $2,300, then 1,200, small little red day, bang, small little, took a few days off, Christmas time, and bang, right here, nice little comeback, taking it easy. This is December. We'll hop on over to January and look at January's performance, guys. 511, $200, $200. Right here, we were not, well, this is, yeah, January. Right here, we were not doing much trading in this account. Then bang, another nice day, another nice day, another nice day. Red day, back-to-back red days. I rarely have those, but had them, and to the tune of $500 a piece. Didn't like that one bit. Small week, gave back a good chunk of profit there, but nonetheless a green week. Then we had a nice green Friday, but then bang, Monday comes back, rolls around, slaps me in the face again. But then look, bang, 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 just setting up base hits. Right here, we were actually at Disney for a few days with the family. That's why you hear this voice a little bit crackling. We got sick. Frickin' A, man. But anyways, come back on Thursday, first day, green. Look at this Friday. Are you kidding me? You know, making up for all those days that we were gone. And hop on over to February, and already nice, building a nice little green week here, and yet again putting out another payout out of this account. All right, guys, so here it is. One of my accounts here at Topstep, I'm going to be taking some money out of today. I have $1,850 there, not a whole lot. Best day of trading was 614. Worst day was 342. Average winning day, $313. You could see here my equity curve, really nice, you know, steady uptrend over the course of just 8 days of trading. There's another account that I have. There's another XFA that I've taken money out of multiple times now. I'll show you that one real quick. All right, guys, so here it is. I'm not going to take out a whole lot of money because, you know, we would need to leave some cushion in there. But I'm going to go ahead and take out $560 from this account. You know, you confirm that you have 5 winning days. Your payout is not exceeding 50% of your current balance. So, you know, max you could do, let's say I had $10,000 in there. The max I can take out is 5,000. So we're going to just take out $560, leave a little cushion there, and go through this, and then just click submit. And that's it. It says here, please expect to receive your payout in 2 to 5 business days. They've been rather fast. I can say that I've gotten my payouts mostly in that time frame, if not slightly sooner. Oh, I got an email confirmation right now. I just came across my other computer. An email confirmation for this payout. All right, guys, so now we're going to go over here and jump on TakeProfit Trader. TakeProfit Trader, you can take payouts every single day as long as you're above your buffer. I am above my buffer here. Don't have a whole lot above the buffer. I have $788 in profit, but I do want to go through the process here and show you how it's done. You're going to go into your control center. I can't show you that because you're going to see my passwords and all that good stuff for my Tradeovate. So you're going to go into your control center and you're going to click on the account that you want to withdraw from. Then you see this little yellow that says withdraw. You click that and this window will pop up. It'll tell you the available balance that you can withdraw from. You can see there what it says, and then you'll just put what you want to withdraw. You got to remember it's an 80-20 split with them. There it is. It shows you right there. I'm going to keep $440. So for $440 from this payout, $560 that I got from Topstep on the last payout, that's $1,000. And it doesn't end there. You're like, oh, Jesse, you only got $1,000 from payouts from this week or this month? No. I have $3,200 I pulled out of Topstep earlier in the month, plus another $1,549 I pulled out of Topstep earlier this month. Plus, check out what Apex just paid me. But well, before we do that, send a request for this payout. Your withdrawal process is in progress. The amount includes the amount you will receive and the commission. I don't know what that means, but there you go. For the Apex, let me show you the screenshot here. This is from earlier today. I got 5 payout requests that I put in yesterday, Thursday, January 30th, into Apex. I actually put in 6 payout requests. I only got 5 approved. The 6th one did not get approved. It got denied. It got denied because I broke a rule. I knew going into it that it was more than likely not going to get approved, but I put in anyways because now I'll just trade 8 more days and get my payout later. But for now, right here out the gates, $1,800, right? $1,800, $1,000, $1,800. and another 1,800 bucks. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 payouts. That's $8,200 plus $1,000 I just showed you between Topstep and TakeProfit Trader, which puts me at $9,200. Plus earlier this month, I took out $1,549 out of Topstep and $3,200 out of Topstep. Way over 10,000 bucks at that point, guys. Not a bad month here at all trading. So that's it. That's how easy it is to do the payouts with these prop firms if you're able to reach your payout. Guys, right here, make sure you're following me on X at Jesse_W33, your Furu's guru, and you can follow along here. I post a lot on here, guys. All my P&Ls are here every single day, payouts and such. This was a really nice monster trade I took today, $2,791 on an XFA. Guys, remember to check out the links in the description and comment section of this video so you can grab yourself the best discounts available at any of the prop firms that I trade with coupon code all caps JESSEW. TakeProfit Trader is really doing some amazing work, so make sure you check them out as well. Now, what has been my go-to strategy in that account? It's been the same that I use on all my accounts. Short resistance, I buy support. That's it. I try to keep it as simple as possible. And of course, I trade patterns like bear flags, bull flags, head and shoulders. I've traded all of those throughout this time frame as well. So you can't keep it simple enough. People overcomplicate trading galore. Let me show you how to take money out of these accounts once you have your profits in there. And there you have it, guys. That's my account there that I've been tearing it up on. Then you saw how to take profits out of the accounts. You saw my Apex accounts. It was just a banger month, all right? 8,200 bucks from Apex, $3,200 in change at the start of the month with Topstep. Then again, $1,549 again out of Topstep. Then at the end of the month, between Topstep and TakeProfit Trader, I took out another $1,000, bringing the total month to about $14,000 in payouts. That's a freaking banger. Excellent month. Love it. And looking forward to February being an absolute banger as well. It's starting off damn good, that's for sure. Let me know how you're doing. Any questions you have, drop them in the comment section below. And I hope to see you in tomorrow's live stream, 9:15 a.m. sharp. Peace.